Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Volvo V70. So, at the moment it's on nav. What we do, we press telephone. That's got no phone connected. It's searching for a phone. However, you don't want it to do that, so you press exit. It says no phone connected, connect with OK. Don't want to connect a phone. As I want to delete one. So we click OK. That brings up that menu, add phone, Barry's iPhone. We click exit again. Then new menu comes up. You see there, phone book, change phone, remove Bluetooth device. We turn the rotary control down to remove Bluetooth device, then click OK. Remove all or one. So I want to remove my phone, select it, I highlight it, turn the rotary control, then click OK. It still asks me again, do you want to remove Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Confirm with OK, cancel with exit, so confirm. So, you know, it ain't simple. It really isn't simple. Okay, I'll just do that again. So we want to delete a mobile. It's on nav at the moment. We go to telephone. That's saying no phone connected, connect with OK. It's searching for a phone. I don't want it to do that, so I want to click exit, connect with OK. If I click connect with OK, it brings up this menu, add phone, Nick's phone. So I click, I don't want to add one, so I click exit. It brings up the new menu. Down to remove device, click OK. Remove all or Nick's phone, click OK to remove. Do you want to remove Nick's phone? Confirm with OK, cancel with exit, OK. That's it gone. Not too easy at all, really. But anyway, that's how you do it. Hopefully you won't have to do that many times.